SeaChoice just launched an exciting new resource called Seafood Progress, and we want to show you how it works. Seafood Progress is a public, online platform that you can use to review major Canadian retailers' seafood sourcing policies and practices. Each retailer is assessed against 6 steps. These 6 steps highlight important aspects of seafood sustainability, including environmental sustainability, social responsibility, transparency, education, and species-specific improvements. Let's take a look at Step 1. We can see a specific retailer's score compared to the national average here. Each step is based on several performance indicators. Click on the plus sign to see the details of the score. There is also a useful question mark that you can click to see the scoring rubric for each step. Step 2 considers the kinds of data a retailer is collecting to support their seafood commitment. Step 3 focuses on what retailers are actively doing to meet their commitments. For example, if you click on 3.2, it will show you how much of the retailer's actual seafood sourcing meets their commitment. Step 4 reveals how transparent a retailer is in their sustainable seafood program. For example, the first indicator shows whether a retailer includes important information on their seafood labels in store, such as the species' scientific name, the country of origin, and whether the species is wild or farmed. Step 5 looks at whether retailers educate their employees, customers, and suppliers about their commitment to sustainable seafood. The final step highlights species-specific information about fisheries and aquaculture improvements. This step focuses on seafood that has sustainability challenges and is sold in high volumes in Canada, such as farmed Atlantic salmon, imported shrimp, and skipjack tuna. Now that you know what you can find on Seafood Progress, visit it yourself and check out what your retailer is doing to support sustainable seafood in Canada. Please visit www.seafoodprogress.org and be sure to tell us what you think on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram.